All right, video number 3 of the day. I've already made 2 videos. We only have 1 more to go. Just so you guys are aware, I'm trying to make Canvas as simple as possible. I spent all week trying to lay it out in the simple, easy way. So hopefully by day 1, day 2, day 3 at the max, you guys have it down, you have it figured out, at least in my class. I know other teachers might be setting things up a little differently, but all of them should be pretty straightforward across the board. To get into it, if you haven't watched any of the other videos, you go to Clever, which all of you guys should know how to do. You're going to find Canvas. You're going to click on that. It's going to end up bringing you to a different page. Once again, I only have 1 period up here right now because that's all that's in here. You will have 7 different class periods. So I'm just showing you what works for period 1. So the students that are watching this that are in period 1, you're in great shape. I'm at courses. I would click period 1 and it will take you to the home page. All right. All of these videos are here. I just uploaded 2 of them and it kind of tells you what it's about, how to find different things, where it's at. So this video that we're going to be working on right now is going to end up how to find the notes, and there'll be a link right under it, how to find the notes. This one talks about the calendar. This one talks about the syllabus, gives a quick little description, trying to make it easy. So with the notes, remember, I said in the other video, modules, that's your go-to. That's kind of your one-stop shop for everything. You'll be able to find everything in there. We've already talked about the syllabus. The next thing is going to end up being the notes. So I've already posted all of topic 1 notes in here. This top one is going to end up being key. When you click on it, it's going to end up taking you to a OneNote document. You cannot write on this, but the good news is I'm going to write on it. That means you're going to have all of the notes for topic 1 and eventually topic 2 always at your fingertips. So if you don't remember how to do something, if you were absent, if you're missing a day, you can go back and see what you've missed. Obviously, they're not filled out because we're going to be filling them out in class. I know notes aren't fun. It's boring, blah, blah, blah. It is what it is, guys. We're in a weird world where we're going to be doing things virtually in class. It's going to be tough. Just bear with me. With that being said, I'm going back to modules. I'm going to click on notes because that's what we're talking about, are notes. If you end up scrolling down, you're going to end up seeing all of these things that you can download. These things, if you are a virtual student, you can download this and you can print them up from home. That way you don't have to just write in a blank notebook. You can actually physically take this home and you can end up printing this up at home. Okay? And that means you can just follow along and write it down. That's going to be it for notes. That's how we're going to end up doing it. It's all there. If you miss a day, you can easily go back in and you can find those things. Remember, modules are always your go-to. Click on modules, go down to notes, all the notes are there. The one at the top is going to be our complete notes for the whole year as time goes on. Hopefully, after the first 9 weeks, everybody will be back in class, but it all depends on circumstances and how things pan out. If you guys have questions, I know I said this in another video, make sure to end up sending me messages on Focus. I'll get them, I'll respond to them as quickly as I can, all right? I look forward to seeing you guys Monday. I'm going to make 1 more video and post it today. If you're seeing these, that's great. Obviously, you can see my face right now. I will have a mask on come Monday, but make sure you're watching these videos so you know and you're not going to be surprised coming into the class. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.